Hi, I want to show you how you can make $1,000 plus online working from home with Respondent.io. So, first of all, you must sign up to Respondent.io using the sign up link in the description of this video. You will also find a link to a video that I did recently on how to create a Respondent.io account. So, without much further ado, let's get into more details about how you can earn $1,000+ online using Respondent.io. So, once you sign up, you see a dashboard like this one. So, what you do is you can start making money by taking the end of these surveys. So, you see this one, you can earn $125. This one, you can earn $105. This one, you can earn $160. And this one gives you about $35. All right, so the best way you can search for the best paying projects is simply by using the filter option or searching for highest incentive or shortest time. So you can click here, sort by highest incentive, then to give you options on the ones that are giving the highest incentives. Let's click search here, or let's just filter. All right, so here you can play around this when it comes to compensation. And as you can see, you can also choose whether it needs an industry professional. So industry professionals are the ones who would have verified their work emails and who would also have verified their social media accounts as well. All right, so if you need a survey that is related to industry professional, you can click here. If you need for general population, you choose here. But it's best to choose industry professional, as they are the ones who are being sought after. All right, then you can also choose the project type. Usually you choose remote, since we urge you to work from home. Then here you can choose the time. The time is in minutes, from as short as 5 minutes up to 240 minutes. All right, so then here you can play around the compensation. Maybe you can choose the one that gives you 1,000. Then you click apply. Right, so depending on the available projects, you may not find a task that gives you $1,000 straight away, but you may find tasks that give you about $500, $300. Then if you take 2 or 3 tasks and you get hired and you participate in the tasks, then you can make $300 straight away. All right, there we go. Then maybe someone want to know how else can they earn with Respondent.io. Right here, you also have an option of earning via sharing your referral links. Here you can see any $20 when you refer a new Respondent user who earns $75 plus in total incentive. So it's simply copying your referral link. Make sure you also make a reference to the referral policy. Um, Okay, right. If you read the referral policy, then you get to know the do's and don'ts. Right. So here it's saying how the referral how it works, then how you get paid, and when you will get paid. So um, this is $50 referral bonus that you earn per project, and this is how you go about it. Please make sure you also read the referral policy so that you are acquainted with how you should promote a Respondent.io. All right. Then last thing I also want to show you is you can also earn using each of the respective survey link. If you refer someone to partake in a survey, then you get paid. So let's check an example of this one. Let's click this one, and here you see share your referral link, and you earn. Then when it comes to the payments, right? When it comes to the payments, then you will be paid via PayPal. So you have to make sure that your account is updated when it comes to um, the option to receive funds. So this is a sample of the projects that I have applied for and the ones that I've submitted. This one I cancelled it, and right. So that's it. And under your referrals as well, you can earn money by simply referring people. It will show you your referrals under here. So you see here, these are the people that I have referred so far, and their referral status here with and you can even choose to check all the pages, and you can see someone is still being screened, someone just signed up, someone is being screened, they signed up, they signed up, someone is they got their project closed, and yeah, that's it. So here you see your lifetime bonus in dollars as you go through. All right. So that's it, and that's how you can earn $1,000 plus from Respondent.io taking service. And for the benefit of those who are into technology, those who are into mainly cloud computing, big data, you have a likelihood of earning more and more from Respondent.io. And lastly, I always get a question from my previous video on how to get your work email verified. So to get your work email verified, it's easy. You must open an email with one of your local domains. If you are in, you can use an email with .com. Or you can use an email with dot c .com. That's .com. You can use .tech. You can use whatever domain extensions. But usually you won't be verified if you're using general domains like Gmail, like Yahoo, like yeah, Proton Mail. Yeah. So I advise you to sign up for email using any of the links in the description of this video. So if you're having any challenges, please let me know. And on the verification part as well, once you have your email, please make sure you also check your spam folder. As most of the emails they'll be in your spam or your junk folder. Make sure you check them from there. You may also find the email from Respondent residing there. And if you have any other burning questions, please let me know. You can join our WhatsApp group. The link in the description of this video for more information. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, please share it, leave any questions and compliments in the comment section of this video. And please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, so that you will not miss each time we release new videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.